My friend, he built a car back when we were like in our early 20s, and we took it to Sears Point, and he had all these guys, they had sponsors like thousands of dollars and trailered in on these nice trailers, and a group of us from the neighborhood came in an '86 Camaro, and we beat everybody there that day. We ran a 9-1 in a quarter mile. People in my neighborhood started getting cars. We started out with Volkswagens. More people from the neighborhood just started coming over, and we would swap parts like the fender or door, or we would swap motors, take motors out and build them up and put them back in. We even had like a competition to see who could take out the motor the fastest and put it back in the car and start it up. I think I got it down to like 15 minutes, removing and installing. Well, I didn't really know it was going to be a career that I was going to get into. Just building cars at home, being around friends. Then I actually ended up working in a body shop. I was sweeping up there, cleaning up, and then the painter needed a prep guy. He said, learning this is better than sweeping someone's shop. So I was like, yeah, you show me what to do, I'll do the best I can. It takes patience, but you really need to listen to like the person who's showing you ideas and a way to do things. I think it took more patience for him to actually show someone, but if he didn't like what I was doing, I don't think he would have kept me along and took me to another shop to work with him. As I got older, my mom said, your work will show you what you're worthy of. What you put into it is gonna show your worth. So when I started working in different places, I just tried my best and did the best I could do and work as hard as I could. Lucid is inspirational to me because it's something that I never thought would happen in my time. I always seen it on movies, futuristic things, and here I am being a part of it. It still hasn't really fully hit me, but I'm here and I'm glad to be going along for the ride. I started out as a battery tech here, and then I ended up going over to the wood shop. And after I was in a wood shop, then I ended up being like the purchase guy for our team. Whatever supplies we need, I do that. Whatever stuff they need moved around, I do that. If they need something forklift around here or there, I do that. I'm actually the forklift trainer for our team or for anybody in Lucid. I think I'm just constantly busy and I enjoy that. Whatever you do, there's hands. It's not like you're doing it by yourself. Everybody has a hand in on what you're doing, Basically what our team does is we're show car build, which is prototype cars that are shown to the public. We do woodwork, VR buck build, clay modeling. We help other teams out. We do a lot. What we do here is important for the environment and for the future, for our kids. 1,000 horsepower in a car, that's great. And there's no gas. Even my friend who's building a hot rod right now, he's all, that's incredible, I can't believe it. If people were to pay attention to what's going on, like the Pacific garbage patch is a terrible thing. Population is growing. The glaciers, they've receded so far back. Clean air, right? There's no pollution coming from these cars, just electric cars. That would be an amazing future, right? If you go to the showrooms, we have our motors up there, we have our batteries up there. It's all there. As a youth, you start to think about, wow, that's cool, that's exciting. So that could bring you in to make you want to learn more about it, to expand and take it further. Education only comes from what people can show you, what they've learned from someone else. To be inspired takes it above that. So be inspired to do whatever you want to do. If it's in cars, if it's in music, if it's in art, just be inspired by things around you to make it better.